Hi guys, so you created domain, you bought a domain, you bought a hosting account through HostMonster. Now I want to show you how you can create, how you can have your domain show up a real website. Okay, so at hosting account, this is where all your files are saved. We're going to first create an FTP account so that we can log in directly to our server. So click on the FTP accounts and go ahead and create a password, login name and password, and unlimited. Just leave that directory empty, and you're going to create different FTP accounts to access the server. So once that is done, what you're going to do is I downloaded this program called Filezilla, and go ahead and run it. And I just reduced the size of Filezilla over here. So this is a free application that you can download, and it allows you to connect to different servers using FTP, File Transfer Protocol. So click on this icon. You're going to create a new site and put in the ftp.your domain name. Leave the protocol just FTP, put in the username and password. Now if you do this properly, if you click on connect, then it will show you the files for that server. Now public HTML, if you're using cPanel, this is where all the files for the web are saved. And some of these other files do other things. You don't have to really worry about it. For example, MySQL will have the MySQL database information stored, but all you have to do is everything on the web, you need it to be under public_HTML. So now if you're a Windows user, you can use WinSCP and you can right click and you can create a new file. On a Mac, it's a little bit different, but let's do a simple an example. So what I'm going to do is just create, for example, an index.html on your desktop, and once you created that, just drag that file over to the server and it will copy. So let me show you an example. So let me just go to one of the sites, and let's say I wanted to copy these folders. I just select it, I drag it over here, and then it will copy those files for you. So create an index.html on your desktop, find your desktop, find the desktop, and drag that file over to here. So let's say I drag the index.html. So I'm going to go to View Edit, and I'm going to edit this file. So it's going to open up different text editors. For mine, it's opening up Sublime. So here, I'm just going to do Hi Silicon Valley. So once I save this in Filezilla, WinSCP, I believe it's just going to save it automatically. But on Filezilla, it's going to ask you, do you want to upload this file back to the server? Because I downloaded this on my local computer, and now I changed it, and it's asking whether I want to upload it. So go ahead and click on yes. And once you do it, and then once you go to your domain name, on my case, my domain name that I bought was Choice Software. Once you do that, then it tells you that text. So let's go a little bit. You're going to learn more about this in some other chapters. But here, let me just say, for example, I'm going to play around with HTML. Hello guys. That's how you do a heading 1, heading 2, example. So I do this, I save it, and then on Filezilla again, I have to go and make sure that that file is uploaded back to the server. And then when I go here, it shows that. Okay, so all that a hosting account is just a computer, and the first file that it looks when it goes to your domain is index.html. So later on in the course, you will see how to create a website and you're going to do it in your local computer. But if you want that to show up in your newly purchased domain, all you have to do is copy those files and folders to the public_HTML like this, and I'm going to stop this for now. But basically you copy it over like this, and it's just copying all the files, and then when you go to your domain, then it would work. Now if you need to make a change, you can also just like as you've seen in my demo, you can right click, edit the file, and then it will show up live on the server. Okay, all right.